Hey everyone, welcome back to the BFT channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at an ultrasonic cleaner for our bike chains. All right. All right, today's product was sent to us by Vevor, and this is their 22-liter industrial ultrasonic cleaner with digital timer and heater. This is a big machine and we plan to use this to clean many things. What I really like about this company is they have different models and different sizes. They make small ones from 0.8 liters up to 30 liters. So there is one size bigger than this one. You know, if you have something like this, you can probably clean anything on a bike at least. All right. In the future, you'll see me cleaning many things because I think this thing's going to become very handy. All right. So let's take a look at the product. In the box, you'll get the main unit. The main unit, like I said, it's 22 liters. And on the right side, you can use this spout here to drain out the water once you're done with the machine. On the inside, you'll get the electric cord. And for the spout, they also include a plastic tube with the cap to plug it in, and also some Teflon tape for the threads. All right, so that's nice. So once you have this set up in your shop, you can hook this up using this kit and drain out the machine once you're done without having to move it. I would say the inside portion of this machine, the 22 liter, it comes to about half. So about half the machine is going to be filled with liquid, and below that half is actually the machine itself, or the motor that runs the machine. And it comes with a nice basket, so whatever items you put inside, you can easily lift it up like this. If you can see the basket inside the machine, it's about halfway in the machine. And can you see here? This is the drain, so once you're done with the machine, you can open up the valve on the left and drain it out. So this is the 22 liter, so let me show you a size example. All right, so we're going to be cleaning this bike chain, and this machine is way too big, so we're going to be putting it into a smaller basket with the degreaser and running the machine that way. This way I don't have to clean out the machine just for a simple bike chain. The 2-speed bike uses the 8-speed change, so I'm going to be cleaning 2 of those today and then waxing it afterwards. Usually when I clean a bike chain, I use a special product that is used to clean chains. The reason why I think this machine is worth it is because the actual price of these chain stripper chemicals makes it worth it. I would say for me, within 6 months, this machine will start to save me money. This is a starter pack 4-ounce bottle, but you would have to buy this plus the wax combo. And this set right here, Shoko, you know how much this thing costs? So this is the chain wax and this is the stripper. So this removes anything that's on your chain before you start. $40. That's close. It's $36, but you know, with tax and shipping, it's about $40. So if you buy just Vevor's 1.3 liter machine, it says $43 deal after registering. Basically, after, I would say, 6 months for me at least, a 1.3 liter machine would make up for the cost of the product itself. Before I was using that special degreaser product, I did use dish detergent, so I would let it soak in a bottle and then scrub it as hard as you can. But you'll never get it as clean as an ultrasonic cleaner because you're not going to be able to get access to all the small parts, okay? So we're going to be testing it out, but I'm almost confident that this is going to be the better way to clean things, and it's going to make it much easier, especially if you have multiple bikes. In my family, we have probably 10 bikes, and on my super light, I was changing out the chain every 4 months. So this is going to save me time and money. Yeah, so when you're going to change your chain out to a new chain, that's when you want to do this step and switch over to wax. Wax chains are much cleaner, and I find that they shift easier than oil. Oil tends to clog up the chain over time, especially if you ride it year-round in the winter. I used to use this stuff, and this stuff, while it works great, it attracts a lot of dirt, and also if you just simply touch your chain, you're gonna get black everywhere. Wax, you'll keep your chain happier, cleaner, and if you accidentally touch it, you won't get as dirty as oil-based chain. All right, so let's get started. Step one, let's add water. Let's fill it up halfway. All right. Are you stealing my water? Ready? All right, I think that should be enough water, I'll imagine. Let's do it for 15 minutes. And you can feel it, there is some kind of sticky residue on the chain itself. Okay, put that in there. The chain in. We'll do 2 of them since we have 2. Okay, and we'll be using Zep Heavy Duty Citrus Degreaser. All right, so it's covering the entire chain. It's on there, and it's on. Woo! Look at that. You think it's working? Nakikita na. Nah. Isn't it getting darker? Of course. It looks dark. Oh! Alright, I accidentally tipped the container into the machine, so we're just gonna run it the way it is. It should work out fine because it was concentrated degreaser, and now it's slightly diluted, but I think it should be enough to clean the chain. Let's just keep going. We got another 5 minutes to go. All right. We can do the scissors and everything. Yeah. Might as well. All right, so the 15 minutes is up, so let's take a look at the chain. Before I look at the chain, I do recommend you guys do this not in your house, because you can smell the fumes everywhere. I'm gonna rinse this off with water, and then I'm gonna see how it feels. Let me get the greaser off completely. Okay, so I can still feel some stickiness, so I'm going to rerun it on a higher temperature and do it for 30 minutes. Okay, let's go. 60 and... oh. All right, 30 minutes. We still have 10 minutes left. I just want to see how it's doing and check the temperature. The temperature right now, it's at 55 degrees Celsius, and we have it set to 60. So in actuality, you probably want to turn the heater on, wait till it gets to the temperature you want, and then start the cleaning cycle. Wow, it's much hotter than... wow, that's actually impressive. I can't keep my hand in there. It's really that hot. Alright, I should add that it makes this vibrating sound, but for me it's not bothersome. It's not that loud. Like, you guys can hear me talking over it. I wouldn't want to sleep with it, but as far as using it for 30 minutes, it's really not that bad. Alright. Oh, there we go. Alright. Alright, wow. This lid is hot too. It's insanely hot. So I know the first cycle I was doing it wrong because it's much hotter than it was before. So let's see. Oh yeah, very hot. Heater side is still going, so let's turn that off because we're done. So that's one thing I learned. Before you start, you want to get it to the temperature you want, and then turn on the ultrasonic machine part and get the cleaning process going. Wow, this is really hot. I can't even stick my hand in there. Let's start out with the jewelry because Choco put some jewelry in here. I only put in a little bit of dish soap, but you can already see, even in this, how dirty the water is. Oh yeah, oh, actually, look how clean that looks. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, that actually is pretty clean. Very clean. Actually, it's perfect clean, look. I didn't think it would get this clean.
Wow.
But look at it, it's actually good to go. Let's leave that in there for now. Let me see if I can reach in there for the chain. Ow! Chain! Ow! Chain! Ow! Oh my god, that's so hot. Alright, I gotta get something to grab the chain. That's too hot. I can't even put my hand in there. Let me get something. I'll be right back. Oh, was that the chain? That was the chain. Alright. Alright. Okay, now I can honestly say this is definitely clean. Excellent. So, there you go. We just got this machine. This is the literal first time we're using it, so if you have one of these and you have a good method of cleaning chains, such as your favorite degreaser or whatever, just let me know, because I think I'll try it out with dish soap next to see if that works as well. Alright, so find the other chain. Let me get the other chain. So yeah, the chains are definitely much cleaner. This is actually pretty impressive. Alright, so this is what I was talking about. You see inside the chain here, you can't just clean it out. This is actually very nice. I love this thing. Look how clean that looks. And that stickiness is all gone. Alright, let me go rinse this off. Wow. Alright, so the Fiskars.
Wow, that's so colorful, and I like the color part.
Like
The Fiskars look brand new now. Alright, so first impressions, this thing is excellent. I'm very impressed with how it cleans. I still have to work on the right formula on, you know, what to use for bike chains and whatnot, but this thing has a lot of gunk build up on the sides now, so definitely works well. So if you're interested in getting one, please check out Vevor. They have all types of sizes and they're relatively cheap. I've wanted one of these for probably over 10 years and they've been expensive, but this company makes them really cheap so you can afford it. For me, the break-even point for this is only after a few months I'll be able to save money, so something like this is great. Alright? I know, I'm so stupid. Alright. So I'm struggling trying to get the parts out and I'm sitting here, I'm like, I should have just lifted the basket out. That's how dumb I am. Alright, that's it for this video. So thank you for joining me, and we'll be using this in future videos as well. I do plan on taking apart the Superlight and using this to clean the parts because that is being rebuilt right now. I have a lot of parts coming from Brompton Plus to rebuild that bike. That should be just as fast or equal to my T-Line when I'm done with that one. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time. Alright.